EverBee coupons and promo codes 2025 get up to 65% off. Hey there, savvy shoppers. I'm going to show you how to get up to 65% off using exclusive EverBee coupons and promo codes for 2025. Let's dive right in. It helps you find winning products, track sales, and grow your shop like a pro. And now, with these 2025 discount codes, you can access premium features at a fraction of the cost. Here's how you can save. New Year's promo. Get 65% off your first 3 months of EverBee Pro. Annual plan special. Save up to 40% when you commit to the annual plan. Exclusive partner code. Use the code, link in description, for an extra 10% off. Applying the coupon is super easy. Just head to the checkout page, enter your code, and watch your total drop instantly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!